What is life insurance? Today I will introduce you some best companies in USA of life insurance. So let's start it. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. Essentially, in exchange for your premium payments, the insurance company will pay a lump sum known as a death benefit to your beneficiaries after your death. Your beneficiaries can use the money for whatever purpose they choose. Often this includes paying everyday bills, paying a mortgage, or putting a child through college. Having the safety net of life insurance can ensure that your family can stay in their home and pay for the things that you planned for. There are two primary types of life insurance: term and permanent life. Permanent life insurance, such as whole life insurance or universal life insurance, can provide lifetime coverage, while term life insurance provides protection for a certain period. What does life insurance cover? Life insurance covers all causes of death, with one main exception: suicide within the first 2 years of owning the policy. Apart from that exclusion, life insurance covers death from illness, disease, accidents, and homicide. Regardless of the cause of death, a life insurance company could deny a claim if it believes there was misrepresentation on the life insurance application, especially if the death is within the first couple of years of owning the policy. For example, if someone lies about their health or other information on the application, the life insurance company could deny a claim by the beneficiaries. In other extremely narrow cases, a life insurance claim could be denied if the beneficiary killed the insured person, or if the claim is disputed by someone who says the policyholder was coerced into changing the beneficiary. Best life insurance companies. 1. Lincoln Financial. 2. Mutual of Omaha. 3. Pacific Life. Main types of life insurance. Term life insurance. In addition to being the most affordable type of life insurance, term life insurance is generally the most popular type of life insurance sold. Term life insurance provides coverage for a certain amount of time, and the premium payments stay the same amount for the duration of the policy. Typical choices are policy lengths are 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 years. If you pass away within the term of your policy, your beneficiaries can make a claim and receive the death benefit money, tax-free. Payments and death benefit, within certain limits. With a universal life insurance policy, the cash value will build depending on the policy type. For example, an indexed universal life insurance policy will have cash value tied to an index such as the S&P 500. A variable universal life policy will typically have investment sub-accounts that you can choose and manage. Burial insurance is a small whole life policy with a small death benefit, often between $5,000 and $25,000. Burial insurance is designed to cover only funeral costs and final expenses. Survivorship life insurance, or second to die life insurance, insures two people under one policy, usually a married couple. When both spouses have passed away, the policy pays out the death benefit to the beneficiaries. Usually, survivorship life insurance is part of a larger financial plan to fund a trust or pay federal estate taxes. How to choose the right life insurance policy type. With all of the life insurance options available, it may seem complicated to choose the right one. Start by deciding between term life and permanent life insurance. Consider a term life insurance policy if you need life insurance for a specific amount of time. For instance, if you want insurance to cover your working years as possible income replacement, if you were no longer around. Term life insurance is also a good choice if your budget is limited. Since term life insurance provides protection for a specific amount of time, and it's not a cash value life insurance policy, the rates will be lower than permanent life insurance. As you enter different stages of life, your life insurance needs may change. Many term life insurance policies are convertible to a permanent policy. The options will depend on your policy and insurer. Term life conversion allows you to switch to a permanent policy without reapplying or taking a life insurance medical exam. On the other hand, a permanent life insurance policy will last for the duration of your life. If building cash value is important to you, look at permanent life insurance options. But if you're purchasing a permanent policy only to capitalize on the cash value accumulation, depending on the policy, you're better off putting your money into a savings or investment vehicle. so you're not paying for the life insurance and charges within a permanent policy. And cash value isn't typically intended for beneficiaries. Upon death, any cash value generally reverts back to the life insurance company. Your beneficiaries get the policy's death benefit, not the death benefit plus cash value. That said, some policy types will offer the death benefit plus cash value, but for a higher price. How much does life insurance cost? The cost of life insurance varies significantly depending on several different factors. One of the biggest cost factors will be the type of life insurance you buy. For example, a term life insurance policy is significantly less expensive than a whole life insurance policy for the same amount of coverage. Here are some of the most common factors affecting life insurance rates. Age. The younger you are when you buy a policy, the less you'll pay. That's because your chance of death is smaller. Sex. Females have a life expectancy that is nearly 5 years longer than males, according to the National Center for Health Statistics. This means that men generally pay more for life insurance than women, except in Montana where insurers must provide gender-neutral life insurance rates. Health. Your health has a major impact on your life insurance rates. The insurer will evaluate your past and current medical conditions in order to calculate your life expectancy. Lifestyle. Your driving history, such as a DUI conviction, criminal record, and dangerous occupations and hobbies, such as scuba